How to use Temu credits. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use your Temu credits, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you would like to use your credits on Temu, all you have to do is launch the Temu application, and if you happen to have some credits, just come to the U tab first of all. Then you'll find credit balance. Tap on credit balance. Now you can see I've got $0.02 of credit balance. So if you want to use it, you can only use it towards purchasing these products. Remember that not all the products are eligible, but if I select a certain product from here, depending on what I want, I'll be able to select them and then I'll be able to order them if I would like. This way I can go ahead and then basically use Temu credits. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.